Hola, buenas, gracias, muchas gracias. We are in Tulum. And honestly, it's also nice to walk around without being asked if we want some tour or some tequila every 2 steps. So far, no one has stopped us to sell us anything. Way more comfortable. Now we arrived here. This is our place. So this is so beautiful. Our little apartment for the next, well, actually no idea how long. Wait 1 second. I'm making a tour, but Evelyn has to show me something. So what do we have? You know I cannot show this on YouTube.
Why not?
Because it's copyrighted, but maybe it's too offend. Don't say, that makes it worse. No. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Our shower, toilet, sink, our beautiful video. Already breaking everything. Can you hold this, please?
Yeah, that's just typical.
And over here we've got the bed. Anyways, kitchen, another sink, stove, very important. I hope this one works. I like where we were before. Beautiful, beautiful place. Now we'll get settled, then we'll take the bike and go on a grocery haul. Really looking forward to staying here. Yes, on this side, this is our apartment, but there are like 1 more apartment over there, over there, over there, then 4 more probably upstairs, so it's a total of 8 apartments in this place. Well, now let's go get a bike and go to the supermarket. So many bikes.
These are too big for me.
No,
Yes.
this one is big.
This one is big.
Yes. Evelyn is killing herself. No, awesome. The bike, well, the bike isn't really in the best condition now, is it? But still, at least there's not much traffic going on around here. Hola, buenas, gracias, muchas gracias. Nope, right, the bikes are really not in a good condition, but well, whatever, at least it gets us faster from one place to another, because the supermarket is like 1.5 kilometers. And in this heat, I prefer not walking. Check this out, we had to use 2 of them because the owner warned us that he had already 2 bikes stolen in the last 2 weeks while at the beach, but still, rather safe than sorry, right? We finished our haul. We bought a lot, almost like a week's worth of food for about $40. Now on our way home. We survived our first excursion to the city. Well, we actually drove 1.5 kilometers through the city. First going there, it's no problem because it was like not the main street, but coming back through the main street. It's actually a bit busy. Beautiful streets, lots of nice looking restaurants, souvenir stores, but honestly, driving on the bicycle on that road was a little bit annoying. Anyways, oh, I didn't see you there. It scared me right now. Anyways, now we're going back. Check out our haul. Like all of this stuff, all of this, well, not this, this was already here, but this stuff, this, this, and this, all of this for $40. Not bad, right? Now time for dinner and work. So there's potatoes, that's bell pepper, right? And that's pork meat and butter. Here is our dinner, some meat, some potatoes and Tulum beer. I wonder how it tastes. Actually, this bottle broke when I removed the tap. It really broke, and I actually cut myself. I see it here and here.
Seriously?
Great, right?
Seriously?
Well, thank you very much for the dinner. You are the best wife.
I know.
I actually got some work done.
I'm the
Now
only
let's
one.
enjoy this food. Let's see. Hot taco. Oh,
It's a hot potato.
a hot potato. Beer. Also good, but not cold enough. But the meat, Evelyn told me that it's gonna be very, how do you say, tough. Anyways, this is our dinner. After this, we'll just relax because we've done so much today, like almost nothing. That's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video I will be showing you a little bit more of this area. Thank you very much, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye. Oh, sorry, I'm back. I'm not letting you go yet. First thing, the meat is actually good. I don't know why she said that it would be tough. And secondly, Evelyn almost did something funny. Wanna tell them?
Nope.
There was something I will show you. Wait. This thingy here, and she thought it was ketchup, but it's actually jam. She already opened it and was about to put it on the potatoes, but then she noticed in the last second that it was actually jam. That would have been funny, like, right? Potatoes with strawberry jam. Well, anyways. Let me tell you a few things about this little apartment where we are staying at the moment. We have spent 2 nights here, and there are actually some flaws, some smaller, some bigger. Nothing that prevents us from sleeping here, but still things that you might want to know if you ever come here. So first things first is, well, as you see, everything is open and you have like windows with curtains on all sides. But the problem is that they are not blackout curtains, so during the night you will still have light coming in from the street lights, or if other people have lights on or something like that. So if you're like me, light sensitive when you want to sleep, think about getting an eye protection or something like that, because this night I woke up many times because of this light. Then there are other things. As you see, we've got this, let me turn it on. We've got those ventilators, one over here and one over there. But this one, when it's running for a bit longer, it starts making weird sounds, so you cannot have it on during night because it will wake you up. The AC that you see behind me cannot really be regulated, I feel. It doesn't accept all the settings. If you want to change the fan speed, it doesn't change it. I mean, you can change it on the remote, but it will not change it on the AC. What else? What else? Ah yes, one of the more funny ones. 1 second. I think it's hard to see. I almost killed myself. Ah!
No.
Well, that was a fun accident. Almost fell into the shower with the camera in my hand. Oops. Well, I don't know if you can really see it, but in the shower you only have like 5 strands of water coming out. That didn't bother me that much, but Evelyn is really annoyed with this shower. Another thing, as you see, here's the bedroom and here's the fridge. And at some intervals the fridge really starts to work hard, and it becomes really loud. And when this happens during the night, it wakes you up, or at least it wakes me up. And of course, we are here in summer in Tulum, Mexico. It gets really hot during the night, but Evelyn and I don't like having the AC running when we sleep, so we turn it off. But in the middle of the night it's so hot that I have to get up, turn on the AC for a little bit, for it to cool down, and then turn it off again before I can sleep again. And also, well, there are ants walking around. Not a big problem for me, except if they are in the kitchen, and they do enter from this window. But we put some anti-insect spray around the window, and since then no more ants enter from this window. There's still some crawling around here, but that's no big problem. And yeah, that's it for the big flaws. But at least, finally, in this around the world trip, we've got good internet. I managed to upload a 3 GB video in less than 10 minutes, maybe even in 5 minutes. I didn't exactly time it. This is one of the reasons that I decided to stay here, because it offered a whole apartment separate from anything, where you've got everything for yourself. It's pretty protected from the outside, because as you've seen in the previous video, it's closed down with a big gate that you can only enter with your key. You've got good internet and AC and a working kitchen. Working kitchen is also important because in the last place we didn't have a working kitchen. So that's everything about this apartment. The first place where we will be going is one of the cenotes, which are like, well, you will see it. I hope it's as beautiful as it looks in the pictures. So let's go there.